In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence for documentation. First, log into your Confluence account. Once you're in, look for the space you want to work with. A space is essentially a workspace for a team, project, or department, and choosing the right one keeps your documentation organized and visible to the right audience. If you have multiple spaces, pick the one where this documentation logically belongs so people can find it easily later. At the top of the screen, click Create. This opens up options for new content. Choose Pages to start a standard documentation page. Pages are the building blocks of Confluence content and are perfect for guides, procedures, and knowledge base articles. At the bottom of the creation panel, click All Templates. Templates help you start faster with a proven structure. From here, pick a documentation template that best fits your needs. For example, the troubleshooting article is a great choice for building a known errors database. It typically includes sections like a summary, symptoms, steps to reproduce, root cause, and a workaround. Exactly what you need to capture recurring issues clearly and consistently. Once your template opens, replace the placeholders with your own content. Make your title clear and searchable, and in the summary, explain the problem in 1 or 2 sentences. In the details, be specific about the environment, version numbers, and steps. Use clear, numbered instructions and include expected versus actual results where relevant. Consistency is key here. Write with the reader in mind so someone new to the topic can follow along without guesswork. Confluence saves drafts as you type, so you can focus on writing without worrying about losing changes. To make your page easy to scan, you can use macros to format content. Try typing /info to insert an information callout for helpful context, or /warn to highlight critical cautions or known risks. These visual callouts draw attention to what matters most and make your documentation more readable. Finally, build your page tree, also known as your hierarchy. You can create another page and drag it under your documentation page to organize related topics together. For example, you might have a parent page for your troubleshooting hub and individual issues as child pages beneath it. A clear page tree helps your team navigate quickly and keeps your knowledge base tidy as it grows. That's it for this walkthrough. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.